Assalamualaikum. My name Muhammad Farizwan bin Abdul Aziz. Here I want to share my research work on impact of K+ cation with tetramethylaminum iodide salts in PVA based gel polymer electrolyte for DSSC efficiency. Before we go to the slide presentation, here is my outlines. First, introduction. Second, objective and highlights. Third, research methodology. Then I will show the results and some discussion. And the last part is the conclusion and also the future work. What is the dye-synthesized solar cells? Dye-synthesized solar cells has been introduced by Grätzel in 2004. Generally, these DSSC generate the electricity from the solar energy. Basic configuration for the DSSC contain three parts, which is the first part is the platinum layer coated to the fluorine tin oxide. The second part is the electrolyte, contain the iodide ions. Then the last part is the titanium dioxide soaked with the ruthenium dye coated to the FTO glass. In previous DSSC work, they already done with the GPE contains the single salt iodide and also the double iodide salts. So in my work, I want the idea for both salts will improve the conductivity or not, and also the DSSC efficiency. For objective and highlights of my research work, first is to prepare the gel polymer electrolytes contains the double iodide salts. Second, to measure the conductivity for gel polymer electrolyte prepared, we can look the conductivity value is increased or decreased. Then third, to fabricate DSSC for gel polymer electrolytes. This part, we can see the DSSC efficiency is improved or not. For gel polymer electrolytes preparation, first, we dissolve the EC-PC demeso with the salts Ki and TMAI. After the salt is dissolved well in the solvent, we add the PVA in the mixture. Then the mixture will stir and heat at a constant temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. After that, the mixture will turn to the gel polymer electrolyte phase. After the gel polymer electrolyte is ready, then we can characterize the conductivity measurement, and also we can fabricate the DSSC. After we prepare the GPE, we can measure the ionic conductivity. Firstly, we place the GPE between two stainless steel electrodes which connect to the hierarchy 353250 LCI tester. Then we can obtain the impedance. After that, the Nyquist plot will be extracted from the computer. Then we can calculate the ionic conductivity. For the DSSC fabrication part, firstly, the GPE will be placed between two electrodes, photoanode and also the platinum electrode. Then the cell will be connected to the source meter. After that, the cell will be exposed under the light, which is in the dark room. Then the JV curve will be obtained from the source meter. Then we can calculate the efficiency and the other DSSC parameters. Here is the conductivity versus weight percentage of Ki and TMAI salts. From the graph, you can see that the G1 sample has the lowest conductivity value, around 2 millisiemens per centimeter. However, after we increase the amount of Ki salts in the system, the conductivity is increased up to 7.87 millisiemens per centimeter, shown by G4. This means that the potassium iodide salts contains the small cation, which is increase the conductivity value. In the DSSC fabrication part, you can obtain the JV curve for all different composition TMI and Ki salts. From the JV curve, you can find all the DSSC parameters and calculate the efficiency for all samples. From the table, you can see that G1 samples show the lowest efficiency 2.92%. and G5 show only 3.83%. However, after we vary the amount of TMI and Ki salts in the system, the efficiency is going up to 5.02%. This means that G4 samples has the best composition of the TMI source and also the KI source, which is increase the efficiency of DSSC. As conclusion, G4 shows conductivity of 7.87 millisiemens per centimeter and the highest DSSC efficiency of 5.02%. This means that both iodide ions contributes the high conductivity value and also improve the DSSC efficiency. For the future work, I want to enhance the ionic conductivity and also DSSC efficiency, which is I can add the plasticizer or additive for my work, such as DMF, DMSC or BMII. Thank you for listening.